Hello friends, today we discuss about turnover number of enzymes. Kcat represents the turnover number of enzyme, that is the number of moles of substrate converted to product per second per mole of enzyme or per mole of active site in the case of oligomeric enzymes under saturating conditions, and is also known as molar activity. Kcat simply denotes the first order rate constant K2 for the conversion of enzyme substrate complex to EP as shown below. Therefore, if the dissociation of EP is slow, it will affect the Kcat as it represents the maximum number of substrate molecules that can be converted to product per unit time per active site of the enzyme. Most enzyme catalyzed reactions are highly efficient and proceeding from 10 raised to 3 to 10 raised to 8 times faster than uncatalyzed reaction. Each enzyme molecule capable of transforming 100 to 1000 substrate molecules into product each second. Kcat of an enzyme is calculated from the Vmax and the concentration of the enzyme. Vmax related to Kcat as Vmax equals to Kcat into concentration of Et, where Et is total enzyme concentration. Therefore, Kcat is equal to Vmax divided by concentration of total enzyme. Kcat of many enzyme is in the order of 100 per second, that is 100 molecules of products produced per second per enzyme molecule. Here are some turnover number of enzyme in which catalase has highest turnover number while lysozyme has lowest turnover number. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.